Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the download location on the Riot Games application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Riot client or the Riot Games application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your username and your password, or you may also use your Google, your Facebook or your other social accounts. Once you log in using either one of these methods, you will be taken into your homepage for the Riot Client app. From here, you can find all of your games that you have downloaded and also the games that Riot Client has to offer. If you wish to download any game, then you can simply tap on the install button, after which you will be asked to choose your installation path. You can just tap on the folder icon at the right side in order to manually define the path that you wish to install this application or game on. After choosing the path, all that is left to do is to tap on the install button. You may also choose the language by clicking on the language drop-down menu. And there you have it. That is how you can change the download path or the installation path for your games within the Riot Games application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.